On my way into New Jersey, I realized there was a Restoration Hardware outlet. I passed it, and people that know me know that I love home decor, interior decorating. I said decorating, not design. Decorating. I love all of that stuff. So to go into, it's okay. There are like, I have very few like basic pleasures in life. I love fabric stores, and I love home decor stores like Home Goods, and I love like West Elm Restoration Hardware. Like, I can go in these places and I can literally spend hours just walking around. Restoration Hardware is very expensive, and I like them. They're pretty pricey. And to see an outlet, I've never been in an actual, outlet. So I'm about to go in here and just check out some of these prices. Hey guys, so this table was the first thing that caught my eye when I walked into the store. I love the contrast between the light gray arrowwood and the brass bottom base. It's about 60 inches wide. Really nice table. I love that it's thin. You're also going to see one next to it that has the same type of wood, but it has a different base, but it's also nice. So here is just a wall display of the bar stools. You'll see them again when I go to the ones that are actually located on the floor. I absolutely fell in love with the mirrors. My favorites were the round ones and the one on the end with the fine fancy details. Like, I thought this mirror was so gorgeous. I wanted to move them around, but I'm not that good with delicate items in a store. That's a completely different story for a different day. Okay, now I'm in the rug section, and the rugs are really nice. And I'm going to show you guys the rugs. So there were only 2 rugs that stood out to me, and that was this one, which was surprising because I'm not a huge fan of chevron, but that popper blue really did it for me. I really like that. The next one was a black rug. I'm not into black that much with home decor, but I think it was the pattern that really caught my attention. So those were really the only 2 rugs that I really, really liked, that stood out to me, let me say that. So now I'll be showing just a few sofas. This is not their entire sofa section, it's just a few, and then we'll go to some chairs and then back to sofas a little later on in the video. So right before we get into these bar stools, let's check out these 2 desk chairs and that desk. Like, it's really cute. I like that. So here we are at the bar stools. They had a good selection of bar stools. Overall, I really liked all of them. My favorite, the ones that I thought was the cutest, I liked the black one with the cross back. It also came in green, even though the back is a little different, but it's basically the same stool. I like those, and I think they would be good for like an outdoor breakfast bar. Get you some umbrella fabric and make you some nice little round cushions to sit there to make it a little more comfy, and I think it would be perfect. There's also another one back here on the far right, and I'm coming to it now. It's all the way on the end down there. The back of that, I just like that because it reminds me of a director's chair, but ultimately I would always choose comfort over anything. So these 2 chairs on the end are like perfect because they're practical for me, because I'm like, I need to be comfortable. So now we're here. These are very snazzy. Like, I thought they were really cute, but they're just not practical enough for me. Maybe for like a young adult, a teen, but the way I can't. As promised, we are heading back to the sofa section, and check out this chocolate beauty here to greet us. I love their sofas. They're spacious and they are comfy, but I will never purchase one for myself. Can I just be real with you guys? Seriously. I love their sofas and I think they're gorgeous, but they are absolutely too low to the floor. My sofa has to have legs. I do not want to ever be put in a situation where I have to rock about 3 times and then do a complete forward roll just to stand up from sitting down on the couch. But this is not a hit at Restoration Hardware, because I absolutely love their couches and I wouldn't mind like blessing somebody with one day. But for myself, I would never purchase one of their couches for myself. This is my absolute favorite couch out of all of them. Why? Because it's huge and you can get a lot of your friends on it, and it's perfect for game night. I'm not sure why, but this desk really stood out to me. I'm normally not a huge marble fan, but I love the contrast between the marble and the brass. So I looked at this desk and I said, you know what? I could see myself sitting here working. It's really nice. I thought it was cute. So I have been eyeballing these plants since I had walked into the store. Gorgeous. They can fool anybody because they look realistic. I can definitely see a couple of these in any living room, in the corner. I mean, just anywhere. Yeah, they're really nice. You know who else have really nice flower arrangements that look so real? Pottery Barn. But that's another video for another day. But yeah, I thought these were gorgeous. Next are wardrobes and storage. The thing I love about Restoration Hardware is they make their products with quality. Like, it's not flimsy. Like, if you paying $10,000, trust me, it's worth it. It's like quality materials that they're using to make their things. Like, everything is just quality, and that's why I like them. Sometimes you can go into a place and it could be pricey, but the quality is not there. And I'm definitely not here for that. But I don't mind paying a high price for quality pieces, and that's what I feel like Restoration Hardware offers. This cabinet here, very sturdy, very heavy, durable. The shelves are really deep. You can get some nice baskets in there for some extra storage or some neater storage, and I think it would be perfect, like from anywhere for media or for your bedroom. Like, I just think it's a good storage area. I absolutely love, I know I've been saying I love everything, but I am really a fan of mirrored furniture, and I think this is an awesome combination here. I am loving the vanity. If I didn't get anything else, I would love to get the vanity. It's just gorgeous. Like, I just love mirrored furniture. So I thought this was really, really cute. One detail I definitely forgot to mention, guys. This is an outlet store. And when I came in and I saw the prices, I was like, how is that an outlet price? But an associate did approach me and told me that everything in the store was an additional 50% off of the price tag. So keep that in mind. So this bed caught my eye. I thought this was a nice bed frame. I thought it was very beautiful, very elegant, chic. I just loved it. It had a sold sticker on it, so somebody hurried up and snatched that up, and I don't blame them. I thought that was really cute. Very nice. I would love to put that in like a guest bedroom. So here are some more beds, and we're going to see more beds over to the next side of these beds right here. But right now, let's take a look at this dresser. I love their furniture. Like I said, it's very durable, very heavy. Like, you're getting your money's worth here. And like I said, everything is 50% off of this price tag. The drawers are extremely deep. I love that. You can get so much storage in there. And I just love that about their products. Like, it's really, really, really durable. Like, I feel like it will last you like a lifetime. So here we are at the sold as is section. So this section basically just had like a bunch of headboards and bed frames, and I wanted to get more pictures of the prices, but I'm new to vlogging and I'm absolutely learning all of this for myself, like the editing and everything. Like I'm learning all of that myself, and so please just bear with me and have patience, because when I get in stores like this, it's like a candy store for me. So I'm not focusing on like the angle of the camera or giving you guys information. I'm like, I got the camera open, but I'm also like drooling at everything around me. So please just bear with me, but I'm only going to get better and better, forward only. So here we have some tufted headboards, which are really, really nice. I've always wanted to make my own tufted headboard, but I'm like, am I over that? I just might be over that. Just might be. So again, if you check out their beds, you see they're really, really low to the ground. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I'm not really a low to the ground person, as I already told you guys. But here, guys, I love these bedside tables. I thought they were gorgeous. My favorite part was that they were the contrast in the materials. Like we have the gold at the bottom, and then the actual table itself had like, it was like a fabric, almost like a texture fabric. The only thing I didn't like about this collection is I didn't like how they put the circle details on the little handle, the pull, like the drawer pulls, the little circle details they put on the bedside tables, but the dresser drawers and the chest drawers didn't have it. They have more of a simple handle, and I can understand because their drawers are very heavy, so those circles probably wouldn't be durable enough to pull that drawer out. So maybe that's why they did it, but yeah, that's another bed. I thought that was cute. Some more dressers over here, and this was another textured dresser. I really like that. That was nice. And then here we are approaching the same collection that we saw on the other side. It's just in a different color. And I was like, wow, I don't know which one I like better, but I love them both. But again, I really feel like the small detail with the round drawer pull would have been so good on all of I think they should have put it on all of the pieces. Like, I feel like it would have just brought so much more to this collection. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Did you like the straight handle with the other ones, or do you agree with me and like they should have put the round handles on? Like, yeah, so here we are, some more beds over here, and this bed caught my eye, guys. Look how dramatic it is. I absolutely adore a dramatic bedroom. I could just see this. I'm not really feeling how low the bed is, but I'm loving the tall canopy posts. Like, beautiful. I can just see like some velvet draping hanging from that. I think like a nice green would set it off, like a Kelly green or even a hunter green. Like the right shade of green would just make this pop. And you know what other color I thought about with the draping? I also thought about a red or burgundy velvet draping on that would be beautiful. Maybe you guys think something different. Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm all for feedback. I love talking decorating and stuff. It's so cool. And those are just like some medicine cabinets, like the kind you put in your bathroom, and this is more of like the bathroom area. So this here, guys, caught my eye too, and it is a double sink for your bathroom, and it has a marble top. It said marble, but I felt like slate, so I don't know if it's like a slate marble. Like, I don't know what the correct terminology is, but I loved it because of the durability. I just thought it was nice. So yeah, I thought that was the one that caught my eye out of the bathroom sinks. And we are nearing the front of the store now. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much again. I love you. Until next time.